Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what could very well be the best Caseta Hub you can buy, the Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Kit. If you're looking to make your home smarter, more convenient, and energy efficient, this product might just be your perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore everything from setup to functionality and why it stands out in the crowded world of smart lighting. So, let's get into it. First, let's talk about what's included in this kit. The Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Kit comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find a Caseta Smart Hub, a dimmer switch, a Pico 3-button dimming remote, and a Pico wall plate bracket. The only thing not included is the wall plate itself, but that's easy to pick up separately. With this setup, you get the flexibility of controlling your lights from multiple points in your home, whether it's from the wall, through the app, or with voice commands. Now, one of the standout features of the Caseta system is how it doesn't require a neutral wire, which makes installation in older homes much easier. If you've ever tried installing a smart switch only to find that your wiring doesn't support it, you'll appreciate this detail. You simply replace your old switch with the Caseta dimmer, and you're good to go. No electrician needed for most setups. Once installed, the Caseta system truly shines. It connects with a wide range of smart home platforms including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home. This means you can control your lights with just your voice. Imagine walking into a room and saying, "Alexa, turn on the lights," or "Alexa, turn on the lights." You can also create lighting scenes and set schedules using the free Lutron app, so your lights automatically adjust based on time of day, or even turn on and off when you're away to make it look like your home. The Caseta Hub doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, which is a game changer. While other smart home systems slow down your Wi-Fi when too many devices are connected, the Caseta Hub uses its own secure connection, ensuring that your lights work reliably without affecting your network speed. Even if your Wi-Fi goes down, your lights stay connected, and your schedules and scenes remain intact. This is a huge plus for anyone who's experienced the frustration of resetting smart devices after a network issue. Another key benefit is that this system works with more than just light bulbs. You can also integrate it with other smart devices like Ring doorbells, Sonos speakers, and even Serena shades. It creates a seamless smart home ecosystem that connects everything, which makes it more versatile than many other lighting control systems on the market. If you've got multiple bulbs in a room, one Caseta smart switch can control them all at once. The system supports dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, so you can retrofit your existing lights into a smart system without having to buy all new bulbs. This can save you money in the long run. If you're concerned about security, you'll love the Smart Away feature. This lets you set your lights to turn on and off randomly, mimicking your presence at home, even when you're on vacation. It's a great way to add an extra layer of security while you're away, all without having to manually adjust the lights yourself. In terms of pricing, this kit offers great value. For under $100, you get a complete system that works reliably and integrates with most of the major smart home ecosystems. Plus, the convenience and ease of use you get with the Caseta system are hard to beat. To wrap things up, the Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home lighting to smart, voice-controlled, and automated lighting. It's easy to install, works with a wide range of devices, and gives you the flexibility to control your lights in multiple ways. Whether you're new to smart home technology or looking to add another layer of convenience, this kit has you covered. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.